I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to lock your Regions Bank card quickly, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Regions Bank mobile app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, look for the Card Management section in the menu. This is usually found under the Accounts tab. Step 3. Select the card to lock. In the Card Management section, select the card you wish to lock. This could be your debit or credit card. Step 4. Lock the card. After selecting the card, look for the Lock Card option. Click on it and confirm your choice to lock the card. Just a heads up, if you don't see the lock option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Step 5. Verify the lock. Once you've locked the card, you should see a confirmation message. You can also check the card status in the Card Management section. Now you're all set. Locking your card is a quick and easy way to protect your finances. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.